I left Oklahoma, driving in a Pontiac, just about to lose my mind. I was going to Arizona, maybe on to California, where the Budgies all live so fine. My baby said that's crazy. My mama called me lazy. I was gonna show them all this time. 'Cause you know I ain't no foolin', I don't need no more school. I was born to walk the line. Living on budgie time. Living on budgie time. 'Cause you know I've been through it when I set my watch back to it. Living on budgie time. Well, there I was in Hollywood, a-wishin' I was a-doing good, a-talking on the telephone line. Now they don't need me in the movies, ain't nobody sings my songs. Guess I'm just a-wasting time. Well, then I got to thinking, man, I'm really sinking. I really had a flash this time. I had no business leaving, and nobody would be grieving if I went back on budgie time. Living on budgie time. Living on budgie time. Well, you know I've been through it when I set my watch back to it. Living on budgie time. Living on budgie time. Living on budgie time. Well, you know I've been through it when I set my watch back to it. Living on budgie time. Take a bow, Seabass, you pretty little budgie, you, and Echo. Ooh, Seabass, you coming up for an encore? Who's a pretty bird? You're a pretty bird. Hey, pretty bird. Who's my pretty bird? You're a pretty bird.